this happy moment, I would like to announce one more surprise gift to the employees. Full point. With the support of you all, we are going to award best performance awards to the employees for their progressive role and excellent performance shown from the next financial year. Full point. Sir, I am sure that this resolution will meet the acceptance of each and every one present here, because there is no scope for any doubt at all so far as the main aim of this resolution is concerned. Full point. Next para. In this connection, I would like to inform one thing which has become a major problem to a country like ours. Full point. I am of the opinion that if there is one single factor which comes in the way of the millions of this country sharing the fruits of development and progress, it is the problem of population. Full point. In fact, I have always a feeling that if only we had the same population as any of the advanced countries, with the national resources which we have today, I am sure we would also be one of the developed nations and nobody would be recognizing us as a developing nation. Full point. The point which I am making is that unless the present fast growth of population is checked, whatever development we have achieved in various fields throughout the country will be in vain. Full point.